Well, I happen to have one right here.
Hi, welcome to Friends Test Kitchen. I'm Catherine.
And I'm Gina.
So today we're really excited. Summer is here and we want to make fun mocktails. So we found a couple recipes online and we're going to make 2 mocktails with you guys today. We're going to test them and we're going to taste them, which is the most fun part. So first we're going to make a Pineapple Mint Mojito mocktail. And then the second one I'm really excited about is we're going to make a Strawberry Lime Popsicle Spritzer.
Yeah, let's get started. This is gonna be a fun one to make because you're gonna need some mint leaves, which I've never bought for myself before, and they just smell amazing. So you're gonna wanna put it in a container with some sugar, and you're gonna muddle the mint. And then Catherine had a really good idea. I don't have like a wooden muddler, so you could use the end of a wooden spoon. This is a mini roller. Just something that won't scratch your cup or break it, but that will get a good rub on the mint because you want to break it up and get it all mushed real good. Oh, that smells so good. Should we do it with style? Look like we know what we're doing. Okay, now we're gonna add some pineapple juice and the juice of 1 lime. And you want to add some ice because we want this to be nice and cold. Let's close it up, shake it up real good. Shake it like a professional bartender. And then we are going to put it in a tall glass. And then you're gonna put in some club soda and ice because you want to make sure it's cold.
And that's it. Simple,
Is that
right?
it?
That is it.
We gotta do this, garnish, and then.
Yeah, of course.
All right, cheers, Catherine.
Cheers. This is really good. I think that I'm more of a sugary person, so I like my cocktails or mocktails in this case to be a little sugary, so I probably would have added more sugar than the recipe calls for. But hey Gina, are you ready to make the next one?
Yeah, I just can't believe how easy that was. I feel like I was missing something, but that was it.
Let's get ready for our Strawberry Lime Popsicle Spritzer. So the first thing you're going to need to do is take your glass and rim it with lime, because we're going to dip this into some sugar to rim our glass. So the recipe says that you can use colored sugar, which I don't have, but I just went ahead and zested my lime into sugar. And I'm gonna rim my glass. Okay, so then the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to put a lot of diced strawberries at the bottom of our glass. And then the next step is my favorite step, Gina, is you literally put in a whole strawberry popsicle into your glass.
Well, I happen to have one right here.
And then we're gonna top it off with some lime sparkling water.
I am curious about this because I'm not a big fan of sparkling water.
Okay, and that's it, guys. It's that simple.
Cute.
Oh, I'm gonna add in a little garnishment. Yeah, just so that my guests would know that this is strawberry and lime. It is super cute. And then what's gonna happen is as you're drinking this, because it's gonna be a nice hot day in summer, right? So what's gonna happen is the popsicle is gonna start melting into your spritzer, and it's gonna taste better than the first drink. I feel like with every drink it gets better as your popsicle melts.
Yes.
All right, Gina, you ready to taste this?
Yes.
Let's go. Okay. But this is definitely a pinky up drink. We've just made 2 summer mocktails. So what do you think in terms of ease, from 1 to 5 on both?
Ease is 5 on both. I mean, I felt like I was missing something because it was so easy.
Yep, I totally agree. Now, what about in terms of flavor? So go ahead and give me your ratings for both separately.
Okay, so for the mojito, I think it does taste similar to the original mojito for being a mocktail and all. I personally would want more sugar in it, so that's something I could fix. So I'm gonna give it actually a 4.
Yeah, no, I'm a big fan of pineapple, so I'm gonna give it a 4,
I didn't know
4.5.
So for the strawberry popsicle, I think it could be a 4. I'm actually gonna give it a 3.5, but I think it might be things on my end because it wasn't really cold, even with the popsicle in it. And it needed to be a little sweeter, so I think maybe if we let it sit for a little bit and let the popsicle taste go into it, it would have been better. But just for the initial, I would give it a 3.5. But it's cute.
Shocked. Popsicle is what makes it. I love the popsicle idea, and I think it does need to sit for a minute just so that I could get the whole flavor. See, it's getting colder and the flavor is coming out. The only thing that I'm not a big fan of and that I could change to my end is, like Gina said, I'm not a big fan of sparkling water. I like me some real sugar. So maybe I would try this with some Sprite or 7-Up instead. Very eye-catching. I mean, if you went to a summer barbecue or a get-together and someone served this to you, tell me you wouldn't be excited and grab it right away. This is sort of a thumbs up, but no, this is a thumbs up from us. I would just tweak it a little based on your own flavor. I think that you just have to tweak it based on your needs and what you like best, but I think it's a home run. Thanks for joining us this week, and we are excited to see you next week.
Yep,
Bye,
thanks
friends.
for joining. Bye, friends.